Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ardian Nuri, and today I will present about linguistic variable. At first, let's see what is linguistic theories. What's mean of linguistic? Can you see it in this slide? Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It involves analyzing a language form, language meaning, and language context. So, linguistic is tool that we use to communicate with each other, and a tool how we understand each other, and how anyone understand we. And what we what we will learn in linguistics is several things, uh, like this. In linguistics, the, mo- the most important thing we will learn is one, syntax and morphology; two, semantics and pragmatics; three, phonetics and phonology. Let's see. Syntax and morphology. Syntax and morphology are branches of linguistics concerned with the order and structure of meaningful linguistic units, such as words and morphemes. So, morphology is the study about words and morphemes. Semantic and pragmatic. Semantic and pragmatic are branches of linguistics concerned with meaning. So, we will learn about meaning in semantic and pragmatic. What about phonetics or phonology? Phonetics and phonology are branches of linguistics concerned with sounds, how we can produce a sound, and something like that. Now let's see sociolinguistic. What is sociolinguistic? Sociolinguistic is the study about society and language. So we combine between society in other country with our country. The sociolinguistics may use surveys to examine in which context a language is used. Example: market, home, school, and workplace. And the attitudes to each language, particularly in multiple contexts. It also studies how language varies and differ, and the language is different between other country to another country is different. So we can understand what they are trying to speak with sociolinguistic. Actually, we from a different country or something like that. So let's do the main material is linguistic variable. So a linguistic variable. By a linguistic variable, we mean a variable whose values are words or sentences in a natural or artificial language. An idea central to the collecting and analysis of sociolinguistic data is the linguistic variable. The concept can be tricky to grasp at first. William Labov, a Harvard environmental researcher and author of sociolinguistics, described the linguistic variable simply as two or more ways of sharing the same thing. So sharing the one thing is the saying the same thing in two or more ways. So, for example, you can see like this. Let's see the picture. The example of the linguistic variable is You can see at this picture. Linguistic parable of performance. There is very small, small, medium, large, and very large. So this is different, yes. When we can say it very small, and we can say it small, when we can say it medium, when we can say it large, when we can say it's very large. There is a number to point it. We can say the thing is very small when its number is from 0 to 22.5. So it's same like small. Small is from 10 to 4.5. The let's see this. This number is called as fuzzy relaxation. The example of the example of sociolinguistic is this. Good, James, what does this word say? James, I don't know. With the final raising intonation, and when you say you don't know with your teacher or someone, you can raising your intonation. It is James. It is point that James does not want to try to answer the question. Context in African and American communication. Raising intonation conveys the desire for encouragement. Teacher is unable to reply the contextualization proposition needed to interpret James' use of rising intonation is in his message form. So this is the example of linguistic and sociolinguistic. One more. This is linguistic parable. You can see performance. Performance is linguistic parable, and very small, small and medium, large and very large is linguistic value or states. You can see, you can say, you can say the thing is very small when the number from 0 of fuzzy relaxation from 0 to 22.5 and etc. like this. And sociolinguistic like this. When the teacher or someone asks you questions and you don't know how to uh, how to answer it, you can say I don't know with final rising intonation. Okay, maybe it all from me. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.